It's a sunny day here in Georgia. So I've decided to make this mini episode. I'm always here in my university on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I usually chill around and watch the ducks like Mr. Ducky here. After that, I do my morning workout at the Macon Recreation and Wellness Center, which is inside my university campus. They have basketball courts, and this is actually a multi-purpose hall since they do their graduation ceremonies and other important events here. We'll actually be here this December since we're graduating. They have a fitness room where you can stretch and do aerobics. They also have a lot of equipment, but my favorite is this treadmill that actually costs $11,500 US. I'm only paying $40 US a month for my membership, and I think that's a great deal. Aside from that, they have a paddle court and bowling alley. And outside, they have tennis courts too. Now, we're drenched in sweat, so it's time for their water park. They have lazy river, a simple fountain where I want to shower and do head massages, and some pool toys. My absolute favorite is the pool basketball. After that, time for shower and onto the rest of my day. Anyway, that's it for this mini episode. The next episode would be I got my peaches out in Georgia. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for watching, my fellow panda.